Hello everyone and welcome to another food review. This one is from Subway in Japan. I ordered a teriyaki chicken regular sandwich and herb salt potato fries and a small Pepsi Cola drink. I used the points, so it was a reduced price. The full price is about 1100 yen, which is about $7.40 US money. And here's the set meal. We have a small Pepsi Cola drink with paper napkins tucked in. Just one napkin, and soggy from the drink. It's fairly full, almost up to the brim. And you can see it's quite full of ice as well. We have a plastic straw. These are the potato wedges. There are a number of toppings you can choose. This one is herb salt. So it's got, as the name suggests, herb and salt sprinkled on them. I would say 15 of these potato wedges. We also have the regular sized Subway sandwich. It comes with a sticker on it which you take off. And this is a teriyaki chicken. The staff ask you about the vegetables. Which ones do you want? And how much do you want? And I requested the large serving for all the vegetables, which comes at no extra cost. The bread again you can select from white. There are about 4 different types of bread. This one is the honey oat. We have slices of tomato, lettuce, bell pepper, olives, and then the teriyaki chicken, and it has mayonnaise and some other dark teriyaki sauce. Subway is a multinational restaurant brand that specialises in submarine sandwiches, hence the name Subway. It started in 1965 in the US state of Connecticut. Okay, I've sliced this sandwich in half, and let's have a look at the chicken. So it's a fairly large portion of chicken. The bread has been toasted. And here's a cross section of the potato wedges. The inside is very pale yellow and fresh. Okay, let's try it going in. You can really taste the herb coating on these potato wedges, and I think it's a very nice idea. I've only come across this sort of coating in Subway. I must admit I'm a fan of Subway. I just like the whole experience where you can choose in fine detail what you want on the food and the amount. Okay, let's try a bit of this roast chicken sandwich. The taste is really rather good. If you haven't had teriyaki before, it's a specialist Japanese way of cooking in which a food is grilled with a glaze of soy sauce, sugar, and a special sauce called mirin. Mirin is a type of rice wine, and it's quite a unique taste that Japanese cuisine has, and it's mild and yet somewhat very flavourful. It's got a rich flavour to it, not spicy. I could just describe it as rich. My conclusion for this set meal is, I would say compared to McDonald's, which is slightly cheaper, it's worth the price because you're getting this freshly cooked chicken, which you don't get in McDonald's. And for the volume, I mean, the potato wedges are quite considerable volume. The drink, small size, is slightly disappointing. I think for this money you should be getting a medium-sized drink. But with the ability to select how you want your sandwich made, considering all that, I will give this I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Okay, hope you enjoyed this review, and see you later. Yay!